Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla. So in this video, we're going to be continuing with the lab setup for the SCCM installation. If you haven't seen my other videos, feel free to check them out. But what we'll do in this video is create a container for our system, for our configuration manager or SCCM. So we're going to create a systems management container, and you generally create a systems management container one time in each domain that has a primary or secondary site, and what's used to publish data to Active Directory. So we're going to do that. I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, let's get to it. Thanks.
All right, so we are going to go to our domain server, and we're going to go to Tools, ADSI Edit, ADSI Edit, and then we're going to go ahead and right-click that and Connect To is what we're going to select. And then we're going to put OK. So let's go connecting to our domain. And then we're going to drop that down, and then we're going to right click that. Drop it down, sorry. Let me extend this one. Do right click it. And you're going to go ahead and select new object. And we're going to select container. I'm going to select next. This is going to be system management. So we're going to name it. Next. And then we're going to select finish. And this one, because we're already done with it. And then we're going to go to Tools, Active Directory, Users and Computers. We're going to go to our domain. We're going to go, so I'm just going to do View, and then we're going to do Advanced Features. And then now we're going to go to our domain. We're going to go to Systems, drop that down. We're going to go to, where are we going to go? Systems Management, because that's the one we created. I'm going to right click and then select Delegate Control. I'm going to do Next on the wizard. Next, we're going to select Add. And then we're going to go ahead and add our SCCM. Oh wait, so go to Objects first and then go to Computers. And then we're going to add our SCCM one to this one. Check names, cool. Okay. And we're going to click Next. And then we're going to create custom task to delegate. Next. We're going to select Next. And then we're going to do full control. And we're going to put finish. Cool. So that's done. And we have that. Then I'm going to just add the user. So we're going to put new user. It's going to be the SCCM admin user on our domain server. So we're going to do SCCM admin, and then our login is going to be SCCM admin as well at pleon.com. Next. Then we're going to do the password for this one. User must, well, uncheck that one. And we'll check password never expires, so we don't have to change it again. I'm going to do finish. And then that's all good to go. Cool, so we have that one. And then on our administrator one, we're just going to check that it has the password never expires thing, so that way it doesn't have to, we don't have to change it again. That's all good. So we're gonna go ahead and click OK. Or it's just a close out of it too. All right, so that's all set up. I'm gonna close out of there. All right, so we finished creating a container for our systems management, and then we added the SCCM admin account on here. So that's all done and good to go. In our next video, we are going to be extending the Active Directory schema. So stay tuned for that one. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, feel free to drop them down. You can go ahead and like it too. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. All right, have a good one. Bye.